I just want to start this video with saying, excuse the way I look, excuse my hair. I had took my wig off, then I decided I was going to do this video, which I need blonde hair for. So, can you guess what I'm doing today? Y'all gonna see my hair, but it's okay. Today, I'm doing the Bratz challenge, and I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I love the Bratz. I had a whole Bratz room and everything when I was younger. Like, I love the Bratz. So, I'll show you the picture I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, see? She just got like a really... She has a yellow smoky eye. I insert the picture because it's definitely not showing. So when I take, if you can see, like I got eyelash extensions, like 3 strands on this eye, 1 strand on this eye. Like I look a hot mess, but that's okay. That is okay. So it took me forever to figure out like which inspiration of Bratz I was gonna do. I was gonna use. Like, I love so many of them that I just didn't know what I wanted to do. Then it was like, I don't want to have to do anything that I do. Like, I kind of stress out about that. So, like, when it comes to, like, these challenges, I kind of don't do them because I'm still a perfectionist. So, when it comes to, like, challenges, I want it to be perfect. So, when it came to, like, me picking a Bratz, it was like, okay, do I have this color wig? Like, do I have these shadows? Do I have an outfit that matches this? Like, do I have this kind of jewelry? Like, not the, you know, not the exact everything, but like something similar. So, yeah, that's what I was going through. So, all I just did was prime my face with my Fenty primer. And I'm about to go straight in with the brows. With my Anastasia Beverly Hills. She just got some regular flicky brows. When it comes to my brows, I do nothing special. Like, all I do is trace my brow and fill it in. Like, that's it. So, blend that in. Blend it out. Then I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 35. JK, those are both 25. Here we go, in shade 35 because it's the closest to my skin tone. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Going to get my little... I mean, if you've seen any of my videos, like, you know this. But then again, like, I'm a horrible YouTuber and I haven't posted a video in over a year. So, yeah. I'm going to get my flat top. Oops. I hope it's not too bright in here. And again, I do nothing special. I just go straight underneath the line that I did with my brow product with the brush. Stop talking so fast. I go straight underneath the line that I just created with my brow product with this flat brush, and I just go in with the concealer, clean it up underneath. And all I'm covering, if I made a mistake when I did my brows, if I might have overlined them and I didn't want to do that, I'll clean that up. But I'm also just mainly focusing on the hairs that are growing in that have not gotten threaded yet. And now I'm just going to go in and blend this. And y'all, when y'all do this, take out time because it's very easy to conceal. To, you know, try to do too much too fast and then you just get concealer all in your brows. And that's not what we're going for here. Not going for that. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to, not the top, not the whole top of my brow, but like the ending because I do have hairs there that are growing in. So like the tail. Now I'm just going to blend it out. And that's it. And I'm about to go in right here on my brow with my pencil because when I blended my insides out, when I blended the concealer, when I blended my brows out in the front I blended too much. So now we're going to go straight into eyeshadow. So really in this picture, her brows are flawless. She just got yellow on the lid and like a brown in her crease and darker brown. So first thing first, I'm going to go straight in with my, I'm going to go straight in with like a blending brush. If you watch my videos, I know y'all can't even see me. I'm not even going to snitch on myself. But sometimes my brushes are wet. So I need to like dry them off. And I always forget to bring a towel with me. So I'm just going to take, this is, this is Buns from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to take, actually, yeah, I'm just going to take that and blend it into my crease. So I'm blending it up. I'm blending it all the way up to where my concealer stops from when we just cleaned up our brows. Like I'm gonna do this just very light. Like this is basically our transition color. And her eye is extremely like simple, honestly. So this is gonna be a simple eye. This should be good. The only yellow I have is this yellow in my Morphe 335B palette at the very end. I mean, it's the only yellow in the palette. So if you got the palette, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now I'm going with my concealer in 25. My Maybelline Fit Me in 25, not 35, because this is way lighter. And we're going with that same brush we used for our brows. And I'm not necessarily cutting the crease. I just need a good base for this yellow because I want it to pop. Now, if you have the P. Louise bases, which I'm definitely planning to get, y'all let me know how that is, how it works out for y'all, because when I tell y'all I want that base so bad, I just haven't had the time to get it yet. Because it makes everybody's shadow pop. Like if your shadow already like pops and then you use that base, like it pops 10 times more. Now I can't say too much on it because I haven't used it, but just from what I've seen, that's the vibe I'm getting from it. So yeah, I'm just going to put all that in. I'm not gonna set it. I'm finna set it right now with my shadow. This yellow. And again, I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm just putting down a base. And I did not use a shadow base today because I realized whenever I do this concealer base and I try to do the when I do my concealer base, and I also try to do a lid base, that it never comes out looking good. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my setting spray, which is the Maybelline Master Fix. I'm going to spray my brush. I don't want it wet. I'm going to dab it a little bit, and I'm going to get this yellow and I'm going to go straight in. And I'm just going to keep packing it till I get that vibrant yellow that I want. And I'm not swiping, all I'm doing is patting. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so that's done, and I'm gonna go do the other side. Okay, so now that I get that done, I'm gonna go back in with that same brush and that same shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the brown shade, and I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna blend the ends out. Okay, let me look at the picture right quick. Okay, so she does have like a little more depth, and her outer corners. But I don't know if I want to do that because I like it like this, but this is not really the look. But I feel like once I do my liner and lashes, like it'll give me that little depth she has. I might go in with like, I really don't want to go in with no, kind of want to go in with like a burgundy shade. I really don't want to use no orangey shade. I think I'm going to use the shade right next to Buns, which is Jack's. I think I'm going to use that with just like a small like detailer brush and then blend it out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I really don't want to do this because I actually like this like this. Like, I think this is cute. It makes the yellow pop. It's not doing too much, but I'm just gonna do this and literally do it like on the corners and right at the end of the crease. So corner, crease, corner, crease. Yeah, that's all. That's it, y'all. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and blend it in. That's all I'm doing. That's it. That's it. Corner, crease, corner, crease. Blend that in, corner, crease, corner, crease. And I'm done with the eyes, really. Yeah. I mean, she do get, it looks kind of like pinkish, purplish in her crease area, but I don't want to do none of that. I think I'm good with where I'm at. I'm not about to mess this look up. So I'm about to go in with my liner, which is my NYX felt tip liner. It's the Professional Makeup Duh. It's the Epic Ink Liner. And this would not be realistic at all if one liner didn't come out looking totally different from the other. Alright, so I think we're good. Let's go. I feel like I look like Nicki Minaj with her extra line. Now I'm gonna go in with some ugly lashes that I get from Hairstyles. I did not buy these. They came for free. I don't have any lash glue. Oh my god. This is horrible. Like, this is actually horrible. Like, I don't even know what to say to myself. Freaking failure. You're a freaking failure, man. So, like, I've never tried this before, but I'm going to take some glitter glue. My NYX glitter primer. Which, is it actually sticky? Yeah, it's actually pretty sticky, you know. I'm just going to go right in and dip my lash in it and, you know, hope that it does something. Again, this is my, this is definitely my first time doing this.
Ten hours later.
So I'm not even gonna hold y'all up, but I'm just playing. And I honestly, like, it worked enough for the purpose of the video and pictures. I would not suggest going out the house like this at all. Y'all, they actually feel like they're on. Oh my god. Okay, so I can't lie, like, I don't know if it's the lashes that they look so big or if they're actually really pretty. I don't know if the lashes are just extremely big or if they're not on my eye, but I can't see. So that's great. Let me look at this picture. Trying to break suppos. So that's pretty much it other than the lips. So I'm about to just go. She do get blush on. I don't even own blush. But what I'm about to do is go straight in with my foundation. It's winter time, so like, do you match me? Good enough, I would assume. Do you match me? Barely. Y'all, I was so excited to try this Morphe brush and I hate it anyway. So I'm going in with my Milani Conceal & Perfect foundation. If you don't know, this is my favorite drugstore foundation. It's $7. That's such a steal. Did I prime? I did prime. I'm going in with my Fenty concealer. Like, y'all, we a doll, so keep that in mind. Oh, I'm so stupid. I just tried to spray my beauty blender with my stuff and I put the foundation. I squirted the foundation as if it was what I needed. Okay, so now that I've highlighted and I put white liner in my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with my brown liner from NYX, NYX, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to overline my top lip. So this is what we working with for our top lip. And I keep my bottom lip the same. So the space between where I overline my top lip and my actual top lip, I'm going to fill all of that in with this brown liner. Yeah, I'm not picking my nose, but it's watering. So she got on pink. Y'all look freaking crazy. She has on pink. Shout out to the people who don't need to overline their lips for this. So I'm just about to go get changed and then I'll be back to show you the final look. I don't know if I look more like the Bratz or a Barbie. Honestly. I mean, I feel like I look like a Barbie, but I also feel like I look like a Bratz. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video.